crafty people, this is Ellen with EGI Designs. Today I am bringing you some brand new products from Altenew, so stay tuned. I have this beautiful package from Altenew, and I had ordered a couple of the new, oh there goes my phone, a couple of the new sets. I just wanted to share them with you. I had just this little mini haul. But they were so pretty and I've been waiting for them to get here and I'm so excited, and I'm sure you can figure out why. So if you've been around my channel at all, you know my kryptonite is anything purple, snowflakes, and anything butterflies. So that is where we're at today and why I had to get some of these items. Anyway, we have a coupon, so feel free to use that. That is good through 2/20/25. So go for it. All right. We have a little inspiration guide that came with. Altenew just released a whole new line of their pearl dots, and these are metallic and colored pearlized little stick-on pearls, and these are so pretty. This one is the light gold. This one is the ivory. This looks just like pearls. This one is cream rose. This one is the satin gold. This one is blush. And this one is coral. And you could get them in a bundle pack. So I did that. This is actually a free thing that came with my order. And this is 3 colors of alcohol-based markers, and these are the dual tip, so there's a brush and a fine. And this has in here mango smoothie, cotton candy, and frayed leaf, so that's exciting. Gifts are always good, right? Okay, so the first thing is the garden bench set, and these are 2 little sets. And this is so cute, this little die set. Look at it. That's adorable. But basically it makes a garden bench, and it also has the dies for the butterflies. And the butterflies are in this little set, and you can layer them for different colors. There's like, and it lists them all together, like A1, A2, A3. So it has A through D. And this one, it has great sentiments. Butterflies appear when loved ones are near, with deepest sympathy. That's a really good sympathy set. And so this is just like the cutest thing. Like you could do, you know, put florals on here, do a little scene. Anyway, so that was a little set that came together. I thought it was so cute. Then this one, I like this. I had another set that was like this. It was called something motifs. I can't remember at the time, but it was very similar, like this kind of a style. So I thought this set was really cute and it'd be good for coloring in. Lots of good sentiments. But then the pièce de résistance. You've probably seen this out there on YouTube right now. All the butterflies. This is just so exciting. This is the Butterfly Garden kit. And it comes all in a package. I cannot wait to create with this. But look at the fonts on these. That's so great. And then they have, you know, quotes. There's a Maya Angelou on there. You get a jar, get these foliage, and then it comes with a stencil, and this is there's 5 stencils in here. And then you use that with this, and this is the Zero Waste Butterfly Garden die. So you stencil these out, and then you can cut them all out with this one die. So that is super exciting, and I cannot wait to create. And this also comes with this 3D embossing folder called Butterfly Garden. So you could make a little scene with the butterflies. You know, you could even just use, you know, like pieces of this. So, or do it off the side, or whatever you're in the mood for. But I'm pretty excited, especially with the layering stencils, and you get all the different details on there. And I think, and it's a zero waste, so it cuts out all of the elements on there. And I think in here, let me just show you quick. It comes with the map, as I like to call it, but it gives you lots of inspiration, how to recreate these things, what colors to use. So if you're kind of stuck and you need a little bit of help, it will show you what to do with that. And up here it shows you the layering guide and the colors that they used. So you get to do the bottoms of the butterflies, the tops, the details, the antennas and the bodies and all of that. I'm just looking at this. This is so cute. Ah, I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay. So anyway, this is my teeny beanie mini haul. I just wanted to show you because there were a lot of things were discounted and were at a really good price. So I had this stamp set, the Decorative Motifs, the garden bench set. It's so cute. I love the ornate sides on there. We have the whole butterfly garden kit. We had the Pearl Dots bundle. And as a gift, I got these alcohol markers and your coupon. So I will list everything that I showed today in case you're interested in the description box, and those are affiliate links. I'm going to be making some projects with this soon, so be on the lookout for that. Come join me over on Facebook. I post videos, cards, any crafty sales that I come across, so that's a good resource to you. And if you found value in today, I would love to have you as a subscriber if you could hit that button. It's a great help to my channel and getting me out there, so I appreciate that. Like, subscribe, and all that jazz, and until next time, take care. Here are a couple more videos I thought you might like. Thanks so much for watching.